Good morning, everybody. I hope you know it is morning already. Today, first I want to thank God for this time, because this far God has brought us. I'm very, very delighted I'm very happy because of what the people of Uasin Gishu County have done for me. And I want to most sincerely thank the people of Uasin Gishu County for giving me an opportunity to serve them as their senator. I want to thank them because they turned up in large numbers and they showed a lot of love by giving me a very high number of votes. I want to thank you, Uasin Gishu, and I want to assure you that I will serve you with commitment and dedication. As I had promised during the campaign time, I will serve, and I will ensure that everybody benefits from the resources of devolution. I want to thank my worthy competitors, and I want to give them an assurance that they have room to serve when I am the senator of Uasin Gishu County. So they are most welcome to work with me. I'm ready to work with them, and we will work together. Finally, I want to say congratulations to the presidency for the spirited campaign that they had in the country. I want to register my appreciation because of the campaign that they had in Uasin Gishu County, which enabled us to crisscross the country within a very short time. So they contributed to the success of the three of us because of that. So I want to thank them. I want to thank Kenyans, and especially Uasin Gishu County, for a very peaceful electioneering period. And I want to say, together we stand, and God is going to be with us. There will be no trouble in this county. We are going to stand tuko pamoja. Mungu awabariki sana. Asanteni.